Where you work at the moment?
Just building some flat.
Oh, I read your message. Thank you for the compliment.
Oh, you're welcome.
I know you've been following my YouTube channel.
Too much, too much.
Too much. All right. So tell me, what did you learn out of my video? I know you've been listening and reading. So what did you learn out of that, Mr. Sikwakwe?
Oh, like the video which you did.
Yeah.
I really learned a lot. I watched it, and when you spoke about I like what you said about that buyer who told you, that guy from Netherlands who told you that you gave him the conditions, then he told you that no, me I have the buyer, me I have the one the buyer. You see, it really that's what they always say. But you stood firm, and you made sure that you you focused on how you do the business yourself, not what he was telling you.
Actually, that guy from Switzerland, he's not a buyer. He's just a joker.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
call them joker because the real buyer would not talk bullshit. Excuse my language. They're all bullshitting people. Oh, my wording is very bold. That is why they're scared of me. Why they gonna scared of this woman for?
Mm, yeah.
They're scared of my boldness. They should be thankful that my boldness, it helps them not to be deceived when they travel. Hmm.
Yes, and that's something which I love about you, your boldness. That's what makes you you.
Thank you very much. All right. I just received I received another letter of interest. My gosh, these people, and his company is in Africa. And why he cannot find the gold in Africa? Why they come to me? And his letter of interest is vague to me when I review it. They didn't emphasize how many quantity they wanted, and there's no contact for me to verify. Ah, these people. Mm.
Those are jokers, madam. Anything coming from Africa, coming from South Africa, those are jokers. Those are just jokers. They're
Yeah,
just trying to frustrate you your time.
but they have gold in South Africa. Why they cannot find the gold? Why they come to Wilhelmina?
Yeah.
Hmm.
No, like some come to window shop, some just come to waste time, to frustrate you, to just people don't have anything to do. Just there to waste your time, to
Well,
frustrate you.
I love to play their dirty games. I know how to play with dirty games. They don't win my boldness. Every day, people, Madam, I will give you buyer how much is my commission, and I told him, please find another job in your country. Hmm. This is not for you. This is not for
Yeah,
this is not for everyone. Hmm.
because even here there was a Nigerian who came to me saying that he's looking for the same for material for the gold. But when I went on his profile on LinkedIn, he's showing that he's a seller. He sells gold. Now, when I asked him, he kept quiet. Then on top of that, he now starts insulting. It's not just blocked him.
Yeah, they just want window shop and collecting information. They are just fishing around, and they think that they can get the
Yeah.
fish. You will not get the fish if you don't have if the bite is not really good. Hmm. So
Mm,
so I'm traveling second week of February. Hmm. Hopefully, hopefully I'm ready. I'm packed, but because of my husband health, so I have to postpone. But I'm ready to travel. Yeah,
okay. But how is his condition now?
it's getting better. Yeah, it's getting
Oh,
better.
wonder.
So that's
God
why I
is
can
with
I
you.
can travel. Mm. So
What
I,
is with you?
yeah, I was reading your message. It's a really beautiful compliment.
Yes, yes, madam. You know, sometimes that's how life is out full of ups and downs. You know better. You know better. I have gone through a lot.
There's a saying, Madame Wilhelmina, with a short time, I have to know you. God really put it boldness in you. That's a rare gift
Yes,
found in people, mostly women. Thank you for the compliment.
yes. Woman of few.
Woman of boldness. Excuse me. Woman of full of boldness. Yeah. I can detect buyers really is a time waster. The gold is ups and down.
Yeah,
Down again last night was 89. Now is 88 900. So it fluctuates. Regardless of the price
yeah.
on the world market, our selling price is still the same. Hmm. Less 8%. Don't you know that in Zimbabwe you cannot get the gold because Zimbabwe would not sell cheap price.
Yes, yes, it's
They,
true.
they give only 3%. Hmm. So that is how. They're lucky that Wilhelmina is very kind and generous. I renegotiate the price on behalf of the buyer to my seller. Hmm.
Mm.
But they have to convince Wilhelmina before I'm gonna give them 10%. Hmm.
Mm.
They have to convince me because I'm the one will scrutinize the buyer. This guy, this letter of intent, it's vague to me. There is no full address. Mm-hmm. I think
It's fake.
I think this guy is from. They open a company in their multinational African partners. Mm-hmm. So it's really it's vague when I review this letter, but I'm going to talk to the person who sent me this because I want to talk to the person who signed the letter of intent. This is bound for Dubai. Hmm. So I'm gonna talk to the person, or I'm gonna
So,
or
so,
I'm gonna meet him in Dubai when I stop over in Dubai next month. Hmm.
yeah. It's what you like talking about. Those are people who open companies up in Africa for money laundering.
That's right. They can hide their dirty money. Hmm.
Yes.
To the
So,
2025, if the buyer cannot show the letter of money laundering certificate, I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't deal it. Really. I had enough with the time waster. I've been giving them an opportunity for many years. Read, 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 read. Listen and listen and listen. Hmm.
they don't like
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
they don't like reading. I don't know why.
They don't go to school. They don't read. I told him read, read, read. If you went to school, you should comprehend. But he didn't go to school. Mm.
That's the question I ask myself. You're running a multi-million dollar company and you're the CEO. You don't know how to read. I'm not the one behind you.
Yeah, and they don't know how to introduce themselves. If they are CEO in their company, they don't know how to introduce themselves. Hi, my name is Natai. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Yeah, I am an interrogator. I am the interrogator and extension of the seller. That's why my seller loves me. Hmm. Because I'm very tough. I ask question direct to the point. Hmm. That's why this fake buyer, they're scared of Volumina. They hide their faces. They don't open their camera because they're scared to be live. Why are you going to be scared like you did? You didn't. You're not scared to be on live video call. Hmm.
Yes.
You're a superstar. You're well known in around the world. That Mr. Sikwasi,
Yeah.
this guy from Lusaka, he learned from Wilhelmina. The University of Hard Knocks. Yes.
The best university.
The best university of Wilhelmina Ford. You will not find this
Yeah, I think
on the actual university. This is hands-on University of Hard Knocks. Mm. So that is the reason why. So anyway, nice talking to you, Mr. Sukwasi.
yes, same. Thank you, madam.
All right, you're welcome and my pleasure. Happy Valentine's in advance. We are now on January 28th. Few this time, happy Valentine's and see to your loved one in Lusaka.
All right, no problem, madam. Let me go back to my construction. I'm just learning some wonderful things also here.
Keep learning, do the job and make money in your country. Gold business is you will not earn in gold business if you don't know the seller. You wouldn't. And if you don't know the buyer,
And I also,
yeah,
I also forgot to tell you something also.
yeah, go ahead.
You know, there's someone from Rwanda. He was telling me that he's going to Goma. There's some buyers who are going there. You know, like there are people in Dubai who are also in Goma. As I speak right now, there is war
Where is Goma? Where is what part of Africa?
in Congo.
Ah, in
Border between
Congo.
Rwanda, Congo, DR.
Okay.
I'll send you a link. They're fighting over minerals. So there's some evil people in Dubai who are sponsoring some people from Rwanda going there to go steal minerals. And I felt bad when I watched the video. This woman they were bombed. She lost all her family. So I was like, you pay people to go and get go there and collect it just for them to kill each other. I felt bad.
They went there because they think they can make a good profit. They are a smuggler. They are gold launderer. And and if they go to Congo, either they're gonna be kidnapped or they're gonna lose money. They're just wasting time. The real seller would not let you go to the bush. You have to go to the office because the seller has his own office. Yes.
True.
But if you meet in the hotel or in the village, nah, that's very dangerous.
Yes.
Yeah,
Because business is done in the office, not in the bush.
exactly. Now you learn. Business must be transacted in the office. Yes, that is it. Now you're learning from University of Hard Knocks. Right?
Yes. Where are you right now? That's your office. Just look at. That's your office.
This is my office. Yeah,
Yes.
this is my office.
You're not in the bush where I'm saying that I'm doing this is where you buy.
I only travel to Africa to assist the buyer, and when I travel in Africa, the full corporate offer, and when he come, he need to send his business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund when he come for conference because he already read the full corporate offer. So I don't send a full corporate offer anymore because on every video the full corporate offer is already there. The buyer has to read and listen to the video, our conversation. If the buyer didn't go to school, something wrong with his brain. Something wrong with his brain if he cannot read and understand. Mhm. When you go to school, you pay your tuition fee. When you come to Wilhelmina, it's free from University of Hard Knocks. Hmm.
Yes.
So that is how. So keep learning from my University of Hard Knocks. Mhm.
Yes.
And our conversation would be on my YouTube channel.
No problem.
You are very popular. Very. Your question has been answered. Any question? What else? What question you want to ask? because you were been given all the answer. Impossible you didn't understand.
Yeah. I keep on learning every time I ask because I don't know anything.
You
That's
don't
why
know
I ask you
anything. Now
questions
you're
and I'm
learning.
learning.
Now you learn. Then you help your people not to be ripped off by the foreigner.
Yes, yes, yes,
Do not let your seller to be ripped off. He has to pay the taxes.
yes,
He has to
yes,
comply the export documentation so that the buyer would not lose his money as well. Right. You have to educate your
yes,
seller in Lusaka.
yes,
He needs to have a license to export. He needs to produce business registration so that the buyer will feel comfortable. Right. I'm not supposed to tell you, but
and
you have to help your people so that your people would not be ripped off by the foreigner.
yes. And I like what you're doing because I watched when I went to the mine in the Copa Belt. There's a place called Kitwe. Their
Mm-hmm.
mine is there.
Mm-hmm.
This man, the Chinese are really ripping off my country. I felt bad, madam. Do you know a truck? You know those dump trucks, those
Mhm.
big trucks.
Mm-hmm.
A Chinese is using there's a flag which has got minerals in their copper. If you check the copper prices, they are higher. It's going for 9,000 somewhere there. Then this man is actually charging them $10 a truck. Just $10. 10,
My gosh.
madam.
Chinese are ripping off
Yes,
you people.
$10 per truck. And they are in poverty. These guys, they can't do anything. That's what they can do. And for him, like I said, Chinese are very, very cruel.
Very,
You know,
very cruel and very
I don't know how
shrewd.
to say it.
Because when the Chinese come to Africa, he is poor in his country. He doesn't have the job. So they have to come to Africa
Yes,
because they think that they can make money instantly. They could make money if they were not be caught. But if they're gonna be caught, just look at these Chinese in Congo. They were being caught. Can you see that?
yes,
So they were being caught money laundering and gold laundering. Not only the Chinese, even white people are doing that. Even white people.
yes, yes,
Not only Chinese, Indians are also doing that. Indian, Chinese, European. But what's out these people? They're gonna be caught. Look at Mali. Mali is getting strict, and Conakry getting tough. You would not get gold in Conakry unless you pay for it. You have to go to the bank and pay. Now the gold is now deposited to the central bank. The owner of the gold will bring the gold to the central bank to deposit it.
yes,
And the buyer has to pay the gold to the seller's bank account in order to reflect the cash inflow. Foreigner cannot no longer ripping off Africa. They're already awake. They already wake up.
mm. Because I like what the Burkina Faso what is doing. That's something which us as Africans were also looking at now because Burkina Faso has also woken up and the president there is doing something good also.
Yeah, Burkina Faso, they open a refinery. You would not get gold in Burkina Faso. You wouldn't. Because the government would not give you if you're a small timer. So they are now opening the refinery to refine into gold bullion. Yeah.
And you know, madam, the real thing they forget these investors when you're ripping off when you're ripping off us Africans, you're not just ripping off just like us. You're also ripping off your own selves, your future selves, because their children will come, they'll grow up, and how are they going to have a safe environment to do business or to invest? You're now creating criminals. It's not a safe place to stay.
Just like Australian
But
Mining Company.
Yes, when you invest and everything goes well, you're putting in who have time to go steal to who because there's plenty. No crime.
Just like this Australian Mining Company and Canadian Mining Company, we've been arrested because they are not paying the taxes and royalty. They were being abusing as well. But because they are big company, they were being given a tax incentive. They were being arrested during the meeting. And the
Mm,
and the
yeah.
and the company paying the government, they have to pay whether they like it or not, or else their license will be revoked. This is a reminder to all
So,
gold trader. Hmm.
you're doing a wonderful job, madam. You're doing a wonderful job.
Thank you. That is why the seller hired
Yeah.
Wilhelmina, because I'm cleaning Africa.
Wait,
I'm cleaning.
you're mopping.
Yeah.
They are cobwebs, madam. They are cobwebs.
Yeah, I'm sweeping all the smuggler and the buyer that cannot afford to pay CIF cost insurance and freight. I'm sweeping them up and run away, get out on this business. You don't have the money, peace off, find another job in your country. Very simple. Very simple. That is why my boldness, buyers are scared to this woman. Why you gonna be scared for? Hmm.
They are
I'm not going
people.
to harm you. I'm helping everybody not to be cheated, because sellers can cheat as well. Seller can deceive you, and the buyer also can deceive. Both parties are deceiving each other. I am here to clean between the buyer and the seller.
Making honey, you're a bee.
I know. Sellers are scared to open their camera. They are not seller. They are just bunch of joker seller. They are street seller.
Those are flies. Those are flies. They are found in the tank.
Yeah, they are fly by night business. Gold business is a real business. Anyway, Mr. Squasi, thank you very much for our conversation, and keep up the good work and help your people. Teach your people
Thank
not,
you, madam.
don't let any foreigner to rip you off. I am a foreigner. I am not African. I am Australian, but I was born in the Philippines. I don't like people ripping off the black people. I don't like it.
Yeah.
Fair is fair. All
All
right.
I want, madam, is just a clear environment of the future of tomorrow to have well, how smooth ways of doing business.
Well, President Traore, the best president in Africa, he is now developing his own country for the people. That's very good. That's very good. All right. So anyway, nice talking to you, because I have someone queuing me already. I can see that on my screen popping up. I don't know. Maybe these people are joker. Yeah, joker broker. Yeah. Uh, this guy is from United States. Keep on sending me messages. To me, they're joker broker. They don't read. I told him, please read before you come for conference, because I don't want to keep on repeating and repeating and repeating. I only upload the video when I interview the buyer in order to update the price. That's all I do. Mhm.
Yes.
So you're gonna watch this conversation we have, and I want you to evaluate during our conversation what did you learn from the University of Hard Knocks. Okay?
Yes. Yes, madam.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. Bye bye.
Well. I just finished talking to the young gentleman from Lusaka, and he learned from my video. Now we are now on the modern technology. Modern technology is an advance nowadays. A few years back, I warned everyone that the price of gold could be 3,000 2025. I was right, and I didn't make a mistake. Why? Because I'm a wide reader. I read the current events, especially the website of Kitco. It's really very good website. I learn a lot from that website, and then I share it in order for the future buyer understand. Now, Mr. Buyer, You've been running around from different middlemen, chain of middlemen. You don't need to keep on running around. You have the phone. You have a connection of internet. We are now on digital. Africa is the main source of supply. Gold, diamond, gas, cashew, cocoa, and etc. My job is to promote Africa. I promote Conakry, Guinea. I promote Mali. I promote Sierra Leone. Don't ask me that, Madam, I'm here in Ghana. Madam, I'm here in Nairobi. Please help me. No, I'm not here to help you. I am not a policewoman. I can only assist you when you are a true buyer. When you are elite buyer, yes, I can assist you. What you have to do, watch this video, click below and subscribe. Click below, read the full corporate offer on every video. The full corporate offer is very concise and very clear. If you are not reading and then you're excited, then you come to Wilhelmina and then you don't know how to introduce, immediately I'm going to delete you. Meaning to say, you already read the full corporate offer. When you come for conference, what you do, introduce yourself, Madam Wilhelmina. I watch your video dated so and so because every video there is a date. I read the full corporate offer, Wilhelmina. We are the buyer. I hereby apply to purchase gold from your seller. So you need to send your copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund and certificate of money laundering that your money in your bank is clean, that your money is not coming from illegal activities. Because there's so many criminal people buying gold in order to clean their money. Now, Dubai, if you're bringing gold in Dubai, Dubai now is getting strict. My buyer from United Kingdom, he registered his business in Dubai. He did secure money laundering certificate. He is a true buyer because he is very transparent. Now, you guys from Dubai, Dubai, a lot of joker broker, a lot of fake buyer as well, pretending to be a buyer. Bring the gold to Dubai. We will ASI after final ASI. We'll bring it to refinery. Big no-no. That person requesting you, Mr. Seller, whoever you are, he is not a buyer. He doesn't have the money. He's trying to teach you or us to smuggle it. I'm going to stop those stupid buyer using gold in Africa to smuggle it. Gold in Dubai coming from Africa, 98% coming from Africa. Why we are selling? Miners mine the gold. They, they mine the gold, they wash the gravel, get the dust gold, they smelt into bar and export it. The big company buy the raw materials in order for them to refine whatever they need. Now, our job, we have the gold bar unrefined. You can refine it into many uses. It's up for you, Mr. Buyer. Our selling price, no matter what, regardless of the old market price, our selling price lays 8%. When you resell it to your own customer, 2% or 3%, you still have 5%. Now, Mr. Buyer, you're asking me, well, Amina, is gold business profitable? Yes, it is. If you have a capital. Yes, because gold has many uses. The bank buy gold from you. When you refine it, the the refinery can make $1, $2. The jewelry manufacturer can make into jewelry and wedding ring and bracelet and necklace. So there are many uses. A big company buying raw materials in order to make into spare parts on laptop and mobile phone. Why Apple company in Africa buying raw materials? Because they need gold in their business. They can put the spare parts on mobile phone, there is gold. Laptop, there is gold. Medical uses, they are also buying because they're gonna make into equipment on their medical. So there are so many uses on this raw material from Africa. Now you're gonna ask, well, Emina, what is your position? My position is to assist you. My position, I'm the one who market Africa to the world. Most of the joker broker, they hates me guts. When I was a member of LinkedIn, I get out on LinkedIn. I don't believe on LinkedIn anymore. LinkedIn is a very good site. Used to be to connect professional. On LinkedIn, there's so many time waster, joker broker. I call them joker broker. So I get out. Don't misunderstood me. LinkedIn is the best site, but the people become a member. They abuse LinkedIn in order to ruin the image of LinkedIn. I was being attacked on LinkedIn. The woman from South Africa, Wanka, and Stephen Williamson. He used to be my friend. He keep on attacking me and attacking me. What I do, I get out. I don't want to be involved with this joker broker. LinkedIn is the best site. I feel sorry for LinkedIn, but the members are abusing the system of LinkedIn. So I get out. I prepare to put everything on my YouTube channel and my platform on Facebook. Buyer can window shop on my platform. Mr. Buyer, what you have to do, take time, read and listen on every video because I put the date. Now, the price of gold, it fluctuates. There is a prediction that the gold can be 3,300. I warn everybody previous year that bank now while the price is still affordable. I don't know if you can afford because today the price is 88,900. Yesterday was 89,300. So it fluctuates. Regardless of the price of the day, our selling price less 8% tax included. The tax is already on the price. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, can you assist me to get the gold? They said, yes, I can assist you. I am your business facilitator. At the same time, I am the seller's extension. Now everybody come to Wilhelmina. Why? I'm the only person put my face. If I am a scammer, I'm not going to show my face. But you guys, when you come to Wilhelmina, when I requested you to open a camera, you're scared. Therefore, you are a smuggler. Therefore, you're a criminal. A criminal is scared to open their camera. Now, we are now on 2025. My policy is you watch me on my YouTube channel. Therefore, you understand. Come for conference, open your camera. We will discuss further because I am going to interrogate you. I'm going to ask you how long you've been searching for gold, how long you've been searching for diamond. You're gonna say, "Oh, I've been searching for 6 months. Something wrong with you." Maybe you went to Africa and you were being deceived, you were being cheated. Do not travel unless you don't have a capital because gold in Africa is not CIF. Any seller offer you CIF, don't touch it. CIF means cost, insurance, and freight. You would never get the gold. Why? Because the government would not give the seller certificate of clearance that his gold is free of illegal activities. When the government will give you the certificate of clearance, meaning to say you did pay the gold in order to reflect the cash inflow. The cash inflow means that you paid the gold, that is an income of the government. Now you have to pay the gold to the owner of the gold in order for the seller to declare to his government that he is going to export to you, Mr. Buyer. Do not cut corner because if you cut corner, then you are going to be tralala. There are people who meet me in the past. They went to Sierra Leone, they went to Conakry, they went to Ghana, they went to Mali. What happened? Disaster. They know me. One young man, he knows me. He flew to Conakry. He stayed in Nome Hotel. One guy from Europe, from Holland, he met me in Gibora Hotel. He went to Sierra Leone. He said Sierra Leone full of scam. Correct. He's one of the scammers as well because he think he can get gold there to find. Another German. He came to my Holiday Inn, keep on asking questions just like a baby. And then he registered his business. What happened? Disaster. If I mention this German name, I'm telling you, he's going to be embarrassed. And also this guy from Holland, he went to Gibora Hotel. Another American, he met me in the hotel. He stranded in Dubai for 3 years. He become pauper. If I am a scammer, I'm not going to give him $450. He become poor. He's homeless. And he called me that he's in a Starbucks. He doesn't have money. He's hungry. I did send him $450 to feed him. And I told him, you better return to United States. He went to Kampala. He think he can make money in gold. He was been cheated. He only pay taxes. And I told this American, you are stupid. 30 kilos you pay taxes, $10,000 during 3 years ago. I told him, it's impossible. He went to Kampala, traveled to Congo, all over. He said, Madam, I'm excited. I'm here, border to border. I told him, good luck. Now what happened? He's now in United States. He was being deported from Dubai. Where you gonna find a woman that this American come to my hotel, eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Another Filipino went to Nairobi. I sent her money, and my bank manager was questioning me why I send money in Africa. And I told my bank manager, I feel sorry, a Filipina is stranded in Nairobi. Lucky her boyfriend, Nigerian boyfriend, purchased a ticket for her. Now she's in Dubai. She owe me. She said she's gonna pay me. She's in Dubai. I don't know what she's doing in Dubai. Maybe she's selling her flesh. I don't want to mention her name because she's on Facebook. If I mention her name, people in Dubai might think, oh, this lady selling her flesh. So if you're just brokering, believe me, you are going to be stranded. Previous years, I think 2012, there was a Filipina, went to Ghana, and he brought the Korean investor, and the Korean investor left this woman, and she became homeless. All right, and she was being abused by Ghanaian. So I told this Filipina, you better go home, and she was stranded in Africa. My dear people, my dear buyers, it's not easy to become stranded. It's not easy. It's not. So don't be involved in this gold business if you don't have a capital. Don't. I'm telling you 100%. That is the reason why I always emphasize, Mr. Buyer, you are buying $1,000,000 here. You want this business? You want to become rich? Yes. Gold business is profitable. Yes, 100%. I want you to read the full corporate offer on this video. Click below, subscribe, and read paragraph by paragraph. Then evaluate that. Then that's the time you come for conference. I want to interview you when you come for conference. I want to request to open your camera. Okay? Don't be scared because I am helping you not to be ripped off. Doesn't matter if I know my seller. It doesn't matter. That is the reason why I do charge you, Mr. Buyer, of my services. Why? When I travel, I do my homework and I will fly ahead of time before you arrive. And I will meet you in the airport together with the company driver of my seller. So I'm gonna sit down with my seller ahead of time, preparation. When you arrive, your order is waiting for you. You have to bring your gold analyzer. You need to invest money to make money. You cannot just dream that you make money. You can dream it if you have capital. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, can I buy 1 kilo? It's not worth it for you. It's not. At least you make money to start with 10 to 20 kilos. Yeah. 2 kilos, 1 kilo, 5 kilos is not worth it for you because you have also expenses. And I am charging you, Mr. Baya, to travel with you. You know how much I'm gonna charge? $20,000. Mhm. Last year, I remind everybody on my YouTube that 2025, I will increase my services to travel with you to cover my travel cost to 25. Now, the 25 will be in effect end of 2025. So, Mr. Buyer, you make money, yes. Do you have a capital? How are you able to pay? Now, Mr. Buyer, we're not dealing with CIF, cost insurance and freight. We're not dealing LC. We're not dealing SBLC. We're not dealing Black Fund. We're not dealing bank guarantee. Your bank is guaranteeing you to lend you the money. Gold is money. Remember that. So this is FOB, bank to bank. Before you release the money, you need to travel to inspect your order. Then we will test the gold, bring your gold analyzer, and then we will assay the gold. You will receive an assay report. Now the carats and the purity, 96% purity of the gold. The carat is 22 plus. So you have better prepared. If you want 100, 1 ton, 10 tons, yes. But show me your credential. Then you will receive the credential of the seller. You're gonna ask, well, Amina, which seller? I will be the one to determine which seller I'm going to take you when you come for conference. I want you to open your camera because I'm going to interview you. Right on there, you will be rejected if you don't give me the answer. Now, if you are from from Dubai Baya, download Botim because I'm going to talk to you live video call. Don't be scared. Why you gonna be scared for? I'm not scared to show my face. I'm not. Why? Because I want to help you, Mr. Baya. Believe me, if you travel alone without any assistance, there are so many Indians, Americans, Dubai people went to Africa. Disaster. Mr. Buyer, if I'll come with you, I know because I have a transaction successful. I would know which seller. You must remember, African seller is very hard to deal with. He can reject you if you keep on bargain. So before you travel, we're gonna have a contract. You will receive the seller's confirmation and contract, mining license, export license, and the company profile. Because I already received your credential, now it's about time for you to receive the credential of the seller. On your letter of interest, must emphasize how many quantity you want. Where is the destination? On your company letterhead, I want you to emphasize how many carats, how many quantity, what purity are you looking for. We're not selling 99.99 because it's already refined. You are buying unrefined. That is why we give you 8%. When you resell it 5%, you put your money in the bank a year, your interest 3.5. When you invest in gold, your interest every week, your profit every week, $7,000 to $10,000 per kilo. How are you going to get the $10,000? Talk to Wilhelmina because our selling price, we are flexible. I will be the one to renegotiate the price for you. Out of 8%, I might pressure my seller to give you 10% or 11%. So when you resell it, you make handsome profit. But if you want to buy 1 kilo, 2 kilos, it's not worth it. It's not worth it for you to travel. Mr. Buyer, my job is not easy. Believe me, I was the one who promoted Africa. Why? My seller hired Wilhelmina. I used to be in real estate. I was the one who introduced this. I patterned the way we Australians selling products. Nowadays, I purchase product via advertisement on Facebook. I advertise as well that we have the products. Yes. Can you not understand? There's so many joker broker thinking they can make money. Joker broker, you wouldn't get money. I don't need to deal with joker broker, chain of middlemen, cut and paste, cut monetizing. I don't entertain monetizing. I want the buyer to send me his credential. Then I can help the buyer to get what he's looking for. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening and good morning to you. Now the price of gold, it fluctuates. Regardless, whatever the price of the day, you will get 8% tax included, except shipping cost, except insurance. You need to insure that. You need to pay the shipping cost. Right? This is FOB. You must remember. Now you talk to Alamina. If you have few questions, come for conference, open your camera. When you come for conference, do not say hi, hello, because I'm going to reject you, I'm going to block you. Just introduce yourself. Wilhelmina, I watch your video dated January 28 or dated January 23 or dated January 19, because I put the date, because I'm going to ask you which video that you learn. I only come for YouTube because I have to update the price of gold. Now, before I'm closing, I'm going to see the price of gold today. Just a moment. Okay, the price of gold today is 2,743.37 per ounce. In dollars term, 88,204.86. Yesterday was 89,600. So don't bank on it because the price of gold, it fluctuates. I will give you the site www.goldprice.org. Keep learning, keep visiting that site, because that site will give the world the price of gold. Regardless of the price of the world, we give the buyer 8% tax included. Now, Mr. Buyer, don't panic. I am here to help you. You are paying my services. You must remember. Don't deal with time waster or joker broker. You wouldn't go nowhere. Talk to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is the one who marketed Africa, and my seller produced gold. So deal with us. Guaranteed you will get the gold. Okay? And don't be naive. Don't go behind my back. Just like this guy from Paris. We give him landing visa, not knowing he get the landing visa from Mali. So he did travel, and this guy, he registered his business in Dubai, and he sent us his credential. He went to Mali. What happened? Disaster. His gold was being seized in Ghana, because when you travel to Mali, when you hand carry, you have to stop over Ghana airport. That is why do not hand carry. You ship it to your destination, you insured it, so that whatever happened to the gold, you have an insurance. Is that make sense? Now, I don't want to elaborate. I think I've given you a very good knowledge worth $1,000,000. Now, Mr. Buyer, you don't need to be scared. Show me the proof of fund that you have $1,000,000 or $700 million. I might fit in you to get the gold. All right. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening here from Brisbane, Australia.